Hello, welcome to the premiere episode of RCS. You may be wondering, what is that? Well, it's Rogue's conspiracy show. Yeah, it's like a reboot of RAI. But this time we're just gonna go over general conspiracies and mostly UFO stuff though. Like, come on, man, I can't get away from them aliens. But we're gonna start it off big, okay? So I was doing some research, just looking for some interesting things to possibly make a video about, and it led me to this site, UFO Sightings Daily. I'll leave a link in the description. The guy that owns it is Scott Waring. I can leave his channel in the description too. But I was just going through the site, right? And I see something interesting. Saturn Moon, Dion, and Titan are UFOs from Cassini NASA photos. See video UFO sighting news. I was like, I wonder what that is. So I'm scrolling down, and he's talking about how this official NASA photograph has clear signs of editing on it. I think, oh well, that's crazy, but look at that. I was like, whoa, that's crazy. If this is true, then this is huge. This is undeniable proof that NASA edits their photographs. I was like, nah, it's too good to be true, but here we are. Here we are making a video about it, and this is 100% a real thing, and this is huge. This literally confirms that NASA is editing their photographs. Like, are you kidding me? This is undeniable proof. We're gonna do it live, okay? So right here, he gives a link to the official NASA website with the photograph, right? This is the official NASA website. This is the official photograph. We're gonna do this live, okay? We're gonna save that just to prove that I'm using the image from the official NASA website, and we're gonna go to Forensically, which is like a photo forensic website. Now we're gonna add the picture. Here we go, okay? We have the picture. Nothing has changed. We took the picture from here and we put it in Forensically, right? With Forensically, you can look at stuff like right here. You can, hold on, let me change that a little bit. Right here, you can already see some of it if you zoom into it. But Forensically is cool because it has a bunch of different filters that you can put on your photograph. And one of these is an error level detection. I mean, you can't really see much there, but clone detection doesn't really get you anything. Noise analysis does. You can see like right through here, right? Like error analysis. Hold on, let me tweak with this a little bit. Okay, yeah. That doesn't give you much, but this, like you see that right there? Like you turn that up a little bit, right? And you could clearly see and see the pixel difference right there too. There's pixel differences. Now this is the big one. If we go here, look at that. Like, are you kidding me? What is this? What? Like, huh? What is this? And it's crazy. Like, you literally saw it. I took it from the NASA website, and all I've done is put it into another website, and like, seriously, what is this? This is just, and like you can even see it like regularly without any filters. You can just see it. You can just see it. It's literally like it's literally like there was something back there or whatever. So they went into Photoshop and they got the paintbrush tool and they just scribbled it out. Like, what? This is, I cannot express how like big of a revelation this is. Like, this is undeniable proof that NASA is 100% editing. There we go. They're 100% editing their photographs. Like, look at how fuzzy and look at how weird it is around there. It's just once again going through all the things and going through all the filters and just seeing how strange this is. But like, like you see the background. We're gonna guess that this isn't like this doesn't look photoshopped or anything. Like this looks fine. So if this isn't photoshopped, it should look like this too. But then why does it literally look like somebody scribbled it out? Like, what is the logical explanation of that? Like, there we go, reverse. Like, what? It doesn't make any sense. As I said, I cannot explain how huge this is. Like, this is obviously something. Like, this is obviously something going on. Like, this is ridiculous. This is like, people are right. NASA's definitely doing some fishy stuff back there. And that's about it. I just really want to bring this to people's attention. I just want people to know that, like, this exists. That this is a legit, like, things are going on. Like, there's the undeniable proof that things are going on that NASA does not want us to see, okay? And I just want that to be known. Like, this is huge. This is huge. Thanks for watching.